When it comes to investing, the ultimate goal is to buy low and sell high. However, achieving this goal can be easier said than done. With so many factors influencing the stock market, it can be challenging to navigate the world of investments and capitalize on opportunities. That's where Capitalwise comes in. As a leading investment advisory firm, Capitalwise has years of experience in guiding investors towards making smart choices that yield high returns. In this video, we'll share our top 5 tips for buying low and selling high, so you can make informed decisions and maximize your potential for success. From understanding market trends to analyzing company performance, we'll cover essential considerations that will help you make smarter investment decisions. With our expert advice, you'll be equipped with the tools and knowledge needed to confidently navigate the market and make strategic investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these tips are designed to help you achieve your financial goals. So, sit back, grab a cup. 1. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends and opportunities for buying low and selling high. Welcome to the Capitalwise Guide on buying low and selling high. Our first and most important tip is to conduct thorough market research. It is crucial to identify trends and opportunities for buying low and selling high. Market research helps you to know the current market conditions, identify market fluctuations, and determine the best time to buy low and sell high. You can use various tools for research such as financial news articles, market reports, and market analysis forums. By getting a better understanding of the market, you can make more informed decisions and maximize your profits. This is why conducting thorough market research should always be the first step in any buying low and selling high strategy. Stay tuned for our next tip on how to make the most out of your investments. 2. Develop a sound investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Developing a sound investment strategy is a critical component of achieving financial success, and a key factor in buying low and selling high. It's important to align your investment strategy with your financial goals and risk tolerance to ensure that you are comfortable with the level of risk involved. A well-crafted investment strategy should incorporate a diversified portfolio of assets that can help to mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. At Capitalwise, we recommend working with a financial advisor to help develop an investment strategy that fits your unique circumstances and goals. This may include balancing your portfolio between bonds, stocks, and other assets to align with your desired level of risk and building a long-term investment plan that accounts for market volatility and other potential risks. With the right investment strategy in place, you can build a solid foundation for generating returns and achieving your financial goals over the long term. 3. Stay disciplined and patient, avoiding impulsive decisions that could lead to losses. When it comes to achieving success in the stock market, discipline and patience are key virtues to practice. This means avoiding impulsive decisions that could lead to losses. One of the most important things to remember is to stay committed to your investment strategy, even in the face of market fluctuations. This involves setting clear goals and objectives, and sticking to them over the long term. In addition, it is important to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions, and to maintain a well-diversified portfolio. By maintaining a disciplined and patient approach to investing, you can position yourself for long-term success in the stock market. These are some of the key tips that Capitalwise recommends for buyers to maximize their potential returns and minimize risk. To sum up, buying low and selling high is a simple concept but can be challenging to execute. However, with these 5 tips from the Capitalwise guide, you can enhance your ability to invest and make a profit. Whether it's conducting research, setting a limit, being patient, diversifying your portfolio, or seeking professional advice, these essential pointers will guide you towards smarter and more informed investment decisions. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it takes patience, discipline, and strategy to succeed. With these tips, you'll be on the path to achieving your financial goals in no time.